My work took a little bit more time today, and I had to go home at night. There was a snowstorm. That's why I wanted to come home as soon as possible. My road went through a small forest. I was watching dim house lights. Really nice. I have to leave this fucking place. Shit.
What the hell?
I should rush back to the cage. I hope you won't notice that I was outside the cage.
Huh? Well, wait a second. Something's wrong here. Think I won't notice an open box?
Shit.
What's that noise? Huh? Well, wait a second. Something's wrong here. Goddamn imagination.
God damn it.
What's that noise? Huh? Well, wait a second. Something's wrong here. Who touched the calendar? Gotcha!
My friend threw a party tonight. Lots of people all drinking and having fun. At about 1 a.m., I took my stuff and left. And then I got on a taxi. I couldn't see anything through the window. There was a bad blizzard outside. The way home must have taken an hour or so. Finally, the car stopped, and I heard the taxi. I need to find the way out. Holy...
Oh, what the hell?
I need to get back to the cell. I hope he won't suspect a thing.
Goddamn compressor.
While he's out, I can sneak a peek into his room.
Oh, the goddamn door!
I need to get out of here before he breaks in.
Gotcha!
I'm so sick of all this moving around. Stay at home, my parents kept saying. You solve the problem yourself, without involving me. I'm old enough to decide what to do. Early in the morning, I packed my things and got on the bus to visit my friend.
What the hell that noise?
We need to hide somewhere quickly. Behind this door, now.
What was that noise?
Sorry, I accidentally leaned on a hot pipe and got burned.
Huh? Well, wait a second. Someone was here? Goddamn imagination.